There are 69 crazy and interesting facts about the moon that you don't know. I collected these facts from all over the internet, and if even one fact surprised you, you owe me a subscription. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It's about 1/4 the diameter of Earth. The moon is drifting away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters, 1.5 inches per year. The moon's surface is covered in a dusty, rocky debris layer called regolith. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon in 1969. The moon's gravitational pull influences Earth's tides. The moon has no atmosphere, which means no sound can be heard on it. The moon was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Footprints left on the moon won't disappear as there is no wind to blow them away. The moon's rotation and orbit are synchronized, allowing only one side to be seen from Earth. The moon's temperature can plummet to minus 173 degrees Celsius, minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit at night. During the day, temperatures can reach as high as 127 degrees Celsius, 260 degrees Fahrenheit. The moon has weaker gravity than Earth, only about 1/6 as strong. There are mountains on the moon. Mount Huygens is the tallest at 5,500 meters, 18,000 feet. The moon has moonquakes caused by the gravitational pull of Earth. The moon is the 5th largest natural satellite in the solar system. There is water ice on the moon, found mainly at the poles. The moon's orbit around Earth is slightly tilted, about 5 degrees. The moon's surface area is about 38 million square kilometers, less than the continent of Asia. The moon is slowly stealing Earth's rotational energy. The dark spots on the moon are called Maria, Latin for seas, and are vast plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. There are no seas or oceans of liquid water on the moon. The moon's outer crust is about 68 kilometers, 42 miles thick. The largest crater on the moon, the South Pole Aitken Basin, is about 2,500 kilometers, 1,550 miles wide and 13 kilometers, 8 miles deep. The moon has only been visited by 12 humans, all American males. The last manned moon landing was Apollo 17 in December 1972. The moon has no magnetic field. The Apollo 11 mission brought back 21.5 kilograms, 47.5 pounds of lunar rock to Earth. Rocks from the moon are almost void of water molecules. The moon is a perfect place to study Earth's solar system history. The moon completes one orbit around Earth every 27.3 days. The moon is about 181 the mass of Earth. From Earth, we always see the same side of the moon. The far side of the moon was first photographed in 1959. The moon's far side has a thicker crust than the near side. The moon has no active volcanoes currently. Lunar eclipses occur when Earth is directly between the sun and the moon. Solar eclipses occur when the moon is directly between the sun and Earth. The moon's presence helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt. Without the moon, Earth's axis tilt could vary, dramatically affecting climate. The moon has a slight wobble in its orbit, known as libration. The Soviet Union's Luna program was the first to reach the moon with unmanned spacecraft. In 1970, the Soviet spacecraft Luna 16 returned the first lunar soil samples by an unmanned mission. The moon has no geosphere. Some moon rocks are older than the oldest Earth rocks. The moon has been a destination in numerous science fiction works. If you weighed 100 kilograms on Earth, you'd weigh about 16.5 kilograms on the moon. The moon's surface is scarred by millions of mostly small impact craters. The lunar Maria cover about 16% of the moon's surface. The term blue moon is used when 2 full moons occur in a single calendar month. The first spacecraft to land on the moon was Luna 2 in 1959. Apollo missions have left behind hundreds of artifacts on the moon. NASA plans to return astronauts to the moon through the Artemis program. Helium-3, an isotope rare on Earth, is relatively abundant on the moon's surface. The moon is a cornerstone for understanding the early solar system. The moon's synchronous rotation means it rotates on its axis in exactly the same time it takes to orbit Earth. The moon is thought to have formed from debris after a Mars-sized body collided with Earth. The moon is not a perfect sphere. It's slightly elongated. An astronaut's footprint could last millions of years on the moon. The moon has no clouds or weather. Moon dust is very fine and sticks to almost everything, a problem for astronauts. The man in the moon is an illusion created by the pattern of Maria on the lunar surface. The moon's crust is on average about 50 kilometers thick. Sunsets and sunrises on the moon last for about 2 Earth weeks. The lunar poles are constantly in shadow, leading to extremely low temperatures. The first vehicle driven on the moon was the lunar roving vehicle during Apollo Apollo 15. The moon can appear orange or red during a lunar eclipse, known as a blood moon. Ancient cultures around the world have myths and legends about the moon. Moonlight is really sunlight reflected off the lunar surface. What fact surprised you the most? Write it in the comments. Like and subscribe if this video impressed you.